Make a little magic today and create your own beautiful, one-of-a-kind scratch wand. Hello again from the Stockton-San Joaquin County Public Library. I'm Brianna and I'm in charge of the 3 micro libraries in the city of Stockton. And today we have a fun craft that is part of our summer reading craft series. We are going to be making these awesome scratch wands. You have everything you need in your summer reading bag. If you haven't picked up your summer reading bag yet, no problem, there's still time. You can pick your summer reading bag up at your local library. Just check the website, ssjcpl.org, for their hours. If you haven't, also, we have had 2 other amazing videos in our summer reading craft series. We have done mosaic crowns and seed pots, and we will have one more after this, so stick around to the end of the video to hear more about that. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All you need is your blank wand and your scratching tool, whatever you have, and a little bit of imagination to create a beautiful scratch wand masterpiece. All right, so you can use whatever technique you want. It is sometimes best to try and do, it's called Zentangle, but do different lines, shapes, and sizes of lines to create different effects. But again, this is your masterpiece, so please do design it however you would like. So we are starting with our blank wand here. I like to start at the very end and then work my way up to the wand part. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna flip this around to make it a little bit easier for myself. And then I am going to start designing however I would like. So as you can see, as you start to scratch off the black, the colors will start to show through. If you're using this handy dandy scratch tool, on the end you have a pointy end and you also have a flatter end. It kind of looks like the end of a chopstick. You can use that to create bigger lines. And you can come back in with the pointy edge to fix whatever it may be that you are not super fond of. All right, so I'm pretty pleased with the bottom. So now we're going to start with the main part of our wand, this beautiful star. The beauty of scratch art is there's really no way you can go wrong, and there are infinite number of ways to design your art piece. And there we have it. Here is a completed designed scratch wand. It was super easy and super fun. Thank you so much for joining me today as we created these beautiful one-of-a-kind scratch wands. If you would like, please do show us what you made. Take a picture and post it on our Facebook page. We are Stockton, San Joaquin County Public Library. Also, if you have not signed up for summer reading yet, as this is part of our summer reading craft series, please do. You can stop by any of your local libraries and pick up your reading log. You can also go to our website if you don't have time to stop by, and on ssjcpl.org you will go to the programs tab, click on summer reading, and then select your age group, and you can fill out your reading log right online from the convenience of your home. Please do stick around. We have one more video in our summer reading craft series. We are going to be making 3D ships. It sounds super fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys create. Thank you so much for watching.